A waterfall chart shows a running total as values are added or subtracted. It's useful for understanding how an initial value is affected by a series of positive and negative values. In this type of dataset, this column shows revenue values and this column shows start and name of months. In a revenue column, some values are positive and some values are negative. To insert waterfall chart in this sheet, first select the data range, then click Insert tab, then click this arrow button, click on Waterfall chart, drag and drop this chart at this position, resize. Then click on Chart Elements, uncheck Data Labels, uncheck Grid Lines. The legend shows increasing or decreasing value. Increasing values are in blue column and decreasing values are in orange column. I can change the color of these columns. Double click on chart, then click on column. Select only this column. Click Fill arrow button. Check solid fill. Then I change the color of this column. Suppose I select this color. Similarly, I select this column. Check solid fill. Select this color. Similarly, I select this column. Check solid fill. Then I change this color. Select this column. Check solid fill. Select this color. Similarly, I change the color of decreasing column. Select this column. Check solid fill. I select red color. Select this column. Check solid fill. Then select this column. Check solid fill. Then uncheck legend. Rename the title of chart Waterfall chart. Then click on column, click series option. I decrease the gap width. Then click chart elements, check data labels. After that, select this column, decrease the decimal places up to 0. Then I can format data labels value. I change the text color. Suppose I select black colors. So when values are increasing or decreasing, waterfall chart is very useful to visualize data. Funnel chart shows values across multiple stages in a process. For example, you could use a funnel chart to show the number of sales prospects at each stage in a sales pipeline. Typically, the values decrease gradually, allowing the bars to resemble a funnel. So let's start. This type of data set shows the revenue values in each month or decrease gradually. First select the data range, click Insert tab, click this arrow button, click on funnel chart. Drag and drop this chart at this position, resize. Then click chart elements, uncheck data labels. Because the values are decreasing gradually, as a result, the size of each bar is decreasing gradually. Double click on this chart, then select these bars. I can change the color of these bars. I have selected all bars. Check solid fill. Then I can change the color of bars. I select only this bar. Change the color of this bar discolor. Then select this bar. Suppose I select this color. Then select this bar. Suppose I select this color. Select this bar. Suppose I select this color. Similarly, I change the color of other bars. After that, select all bars. Click Series options. I can decrease or increase the gap width between these bars. I increase the gap width. Then I rename chart title. Type funnel chart. Then I format these values. Then I format vertical axis values. Click Home tab. Suppose I select text color discolor. Then click on bold. Increase the text size. So when values are decreasing gradually in the dataset, funnel chart can be used. Map chart can be used to compare values and show categories across geographical regions. This chart is used when you have geographical regions in your data, like countries or regions, states, counties or postal codes. So let's start. I import world population data from the website. Copy this link. Then go to the Excel workbook. Click on From Web. Paste the URL in URL box. Click OK. The Navigator dialog box opens. Select this table. Then click on Transform Data. The Power Query editor window is opened. Rename this table. Type Population. I want only these 3 columns. I delete other columns. Click on this column heading. Press Ctrl key. Then click on Remove Columns. After that, click this arrow button. Use first row as headers. Click on this button. Then I remove last 3 rows. Click Remove Rows. Then click on Remove Bottom Rows. Type 3. Click OK. Then click Close and Load arrow button. Click on Close and Load to. Rename Check Table option. Select Existing Worksheet. Click OK. Then select these 2 columns. Click on Insert tab. Click Maps arrow button. Click on Field Map. Resize this map. Close this pane. After that, click on Series option. Select only regions with data, or I can select World. Then select Map Labels. Show All. After that, click Series Color. Select this option. I select the minimum value color discolor, and I select the midpoint value color discolor, and I select the maximum value color discolor. Then click on Chart Elements. I can select Data Labels, or click on Chart Style. I see here 4 styles. I can select this style, or I can select this style, or I can select this default style, or I can select this style. So if you have data values with country or region, states, city or postal codes, then you can show data in the map chart.